Hello, to insert SIM card into your Redmi 14C, first of all, you'll have to locate the SIM slot. It's actually located right here on the left side, and I already opened it a little bit because it's actually like really hard to take it off. I just wonder if you have the same issue with your Redmi 14C. But by the way, if you want to open this SIM slot, you will have to grab this SIM eject tool, which you can find on the box. Now you will have to input it right here and simply press on it until this SIM tray jumps out. So now you can grab it with your fingers. Then you can input this SIM card into the first slot or into the second slot, or you can input two SIM cards. Now if you want to put it back, you will have to actually keep that like that. And here you can even find information that you have to cover this face to screen. So now press with your finger, and now when you actually turn on your screen, you can find information that you will have to input your SIM pin code to activate your SIM card. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.